Hello friends, welcome back. In this video tutorial we're going to see how to work with the loops. So in this particular video we're going to see as a for loop. And guys, these are very important concept like if else, variables, loops, everything that's very basic for the all the computer languages. So if you know in a one language, so it's very easy to grab another one. So just here and there just syntax going to be changed, but all the logic will be same. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and let's get started. So I have already HTML. So as you can see, HTML and this ending HTML tag. Inside the body tag I'm going to write my script tag. It's very important. That's where I'm going to write my JavaScript code. Okay, so let's start with the for loop. So I would say for, so that's how your syntax would be. So for, and there is a parenthesis, and here that's the starting point. So I would say let I equal to 1, I is greater than or equal to 10, I plus plus, and here I would say document dot write, and I'm going to print I. So that's how you're going to use your for loop. So what is that I is equal to 1? Okay, so what we are doing right now, we are printing number which starting from 1 to 10. So that's the starting point. Okay, so we say so basically it starts with the 1. It will run this loop until I will not so basically I will reach to the 10. As soon as it's hit the 11, that's not going to be, so the loop will be break. Okay, so I plus plus, that means I is equal to I plus 1. So it's an increment. So how it's going to be start with the number 1. Okay, and it's check whether the I, so basically it's less than 10, so 1 is less than 10, that's going to be print number 1. Then it's going to be incremented, so now I becomes 2. Once again is check with this condition. So I is less than or equal to 10, yes, it's going to print, it's increment. So this is step 1. Okay, 2, 3, and here will be 4. As soon as it's hit the 11, the loop will be break, and let's check. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So what we're going to do, I'm going to concat a break here. Okay, so now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and you can do a lot of things with your for loop. What we can do here, let's print a table of the 5. So I would say let a equal to 5, and here I'm going to make another variable. So result equal to a times I, and here I would say a plus, or no, a plus, and here I would specify times, and I'm going to give some space, and here I would say a plus I equal to and I would say result. And yes. So a, which is 5, so this is a string, so a times, and I would say I, so it's a start with a 1 to 10, and result that will calculate it. So basically 5 times I, so every time I increment, that's going to be print in a result. Okay, and I give some more space here, and let's check. And here we printed our table, so 5 times 1, so this is the I, this is the A, and that's the result which we are multiplying. So here is the result, so 5 times I, so I every time increment, right? So 1 to 10, so that's how it's going to increment, and result is calculating our value, and which I specify over here. So in my playlist, I have created some small project, but that's in a Java, that's not in a JavaScript. But if you look at, it's very easy for beginners, and as soon as you're done with that loop, you can try it out. And just the syntax would be here and there, and now you know how to declare your variable. So it's almost same. So please try it out and you will learn more. So hope you like my video. In next video we're going to see a while loop. So there are actually 3 loop. Okay, so for loop, while loop, do while loop, and there are other loops also, but we are main focusing for now 3 loops. Okay, for, while, and do while loop. So we will see the same thing in a next video in a while loop. Okay, hope you like my video, and please do some practice. You are not going to learn each and everything by watching the video. Yes, it's give you understanding, but if you have to do some practice, and please do some practice on that one. So hope you like my video. If you like, please share and subscribe, and we will see you in next video. Bye bye.